in fear of drowning, as my heart keeps pounding, struggling in this day to hold on to what's left. Hold on to the strings of reality, bouncing on my heel of prosperity. Me by myself with a gleam in my eye, watching it all, watched by watching it die. It's so hard to see it all fall through, but it's too late, nothing left to do. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me because I disagree. Release me from a world unkind, a world where the blind is leading the blind. It's so unfair that I can't feel free, that I have to be what you want me to be. Shadows of the past keep stabbing my back, reminding me of when I slip down a track. Now it's in the time, another morning dawning, a town where the restless kids are joining. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me because I disagree. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me because I disagree. I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me because I disagree. Refugee, I'm an enemy of your belief. Don't hate me because I disagree.
After my dream, I woke with this fear. What am I living with done here? So if you're asking me, I want you to know, when my time comes, forget the one that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be met. Don't resent me, and when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Don't be afraid of taking my beating, of shit that I made. I'm strong on the surface,